Hello everyone, this is Prachi Singh and you are most welcome to my channel, that is Prachi Astro Solutions. Friends, today we are going to cover the lesson 3rd and the topic is Combust planet. If you have missed the previous videos of the learning, you can find the links in the description box. Let's begin. So what is combustion? Combustion is the scientific word for burning. In simple terms, a planet becomes combust when it becomes near to the sun and at a certain degree, and its brightness, heat and light diminishes the influences and power of the planet. Hence, state of a planet becoming exalted, debilitated, retrograde or combust must be evaluated. When analyzing a kundli or a horoscope in Vedic astrology, combust planet or Astrology are the planet which lose some of their power due to their presence in the close proximity of the sun. So here we have to remember that sun or Surya never get combusted. Rahu and Ketu are always considered to be combust, not because they are always close to sun, but because they don't have any physical existence. Now friends, I will explain you about the degrees. Let me take another page. Yes, now I am going to explain you about the degrees of the combustion of the particular planet. So we will start with moon. You can see moon get combust at 12 degrees. This is the number 1. Number 2 is Mars. Mars get combust at 0 to 17 degrees. Number 3 is Mercury. So the number 3 is Mercury. Here you can see I have written 14 degrees. So Mercury get combust at 14 degrees, 12 degrees when it is retrograde. Then Mercury get combusts. The 4th one is Venus. Venus gets combust at 10 degrees and 8 degrees when it is retrograde. The number 5 will be Jupiter. Jupiter or Guru gets combust at 11 degrees. Number 6 is Saturn, Shani. So the Saturn get combust at 15 degree. So I'll repeat it once again friends. Moon or Chandra gets combust at 0 to 12 degrees. Mars or Mangal get combust at 0 to 17 degrees. Mercury or Buddha get combust at 0 to 14 degrees and 12 degrees when it is retrograde, not direct. Venus get combust at 10 degrees, 8 degrees when it is retrograde. Venus is Shukra. Jupiter or Guru gets combust at 0 to 11 degrees and Saturn get combust or Shani get combust at 0 to 15 degrees. So you can have a look again. So this is all for today friends, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it, and thanks a lot for watching.